Assalamualaikum. Good morning, boys and girls. Today's topic is a poem, A Naughty Boy. Before reciting the poem, I talk to you about a naughty boy. You may be a naughty boy, or any boy may be a naughty boy. Probably I was also a naughty boy in childhood or boyhood. Okay? You know well what naughtiness is. Breaking some things, disobeying the elders, and doing whatever one likes are the qualities of naughtiness. Actually, a child does whatever he likes to do whatever he likes, and the elders think it as naughtiness. It may be true. Now I recite you before the poem A Naughty Boy. A Naughty Boy, lesson 3. It is a poem written by John Keats. John Keats is a very popular poet. He was a very popular poet, and he expired in short period, in short term. Before youth, he had expired. In his childhood, he wrote some letters to his sister, and he also expressed about his naughtiness to a point. Here, a naughty boy was nothing. Here, a naughty boy was nothing, but nobody was the poet himself. The poet talks about himself as a naughty boy. A naughty boy, John Keats. There was a naughty boy, and naughty boy was he. He would not stop at home, and he could not quite be. He took his knapsack, a book full of towels and a shirt, with some towels, a slight cap, a nightcap, a hairbrush, comdito, his stockings for old ones to speak of. This knapsack tied his back, he lifted close and followed his nose to the north, and followed his nose to the north. There was a naughty boy, and a naughty boy was he. He ran away to Scotland to the people for to see. There he found that the ground was as hard, that a yard was as long, that a song was as merry, that a cherry was as red, that lake was as weighty, that fourscore was as 80, that a row was as wooden as in England. So he stood in his shoes, and he wondered, stood in his shoes, and he wondered. This is the poem, enter poem. Here, poet expresses himself as a naughty boy, and he writes his sister about his naughtiness. There are some words I should write on the blackboard. Follow it. Hello, boys and girls. Now I show you the substance of the poem. John Keats, the poet himself, was a naughty boy, enough naughty boy in his childhood. He told that he did not stay at home quietly. He says that as like a naughty boy cannot stay at home, he also could not. He wishes to go out of the bound rooms to know the world, to know the outside world. For this purpose, he took a bag in his bag and filled the bag with towels, book of towels, comb, socks, toothbrush, and everything. And he started his journey towards the north, following his nose upward, like that. Thus, he liked to go to Scotland, from England towards Scotland, to know Scotland, how is like that. He found there so many things, as doors, trees, fruits, soil, ground, etc. They are nothing different from the England. He wished that he would find something different in Scotland, but there were no changes among the things what he had seen in England. This is the source of the poem. Now I will recite you the poem once more with the Bengali meaning. There was a naughty boy, একটি ছিল দুষ্টু ছেলে. A naughty boy was he, সেই ছিল দুষ্টু. He would not stop at home, he would not quite be. সে বাড়িতে চুপ করে থাকতে পারতো না এবং শান্তও থাকতে পারতো না. He took in his knapsack a book of full of vowels and a shirt. সে তার কাঁধে বইবার ব্যাগের মধ্যে একটা ভাওয়েলের বই নিত, একটা জামা নিত, কিছু টাওয়েল নিত, with some towels, a slide cap or night cap, a hairbrush from D2. তোয়ালে নিত, হালকা টুপি নিত, রাত্রিবেলা পড়ার জন্য একটা নিত হেয়ারব্রাশ, চিড়ির মতো দেখতে. New stockings for old ones would split too. পুরনো মোজাগুলো যেহেতু ফাঁকা হয়ে গোল হয়ে ছিঁড়ে গেছিল, তাই সে নিত তার সঙ্গে নতুন মোজা. This knapsack at his back, he edited close and followed his nose. এই ব্যাগটা সে টাইট করে বেঁধে নিয়ে তার নাকটাকে উত্তর দিকে করে সে সোজা ছুট লাগাতো. To the north and followed his nose to the north. তার নাকটাকে উত্তর দিক বরাবর সেই ছুটে যেত. There was a naughty boy, and a naughty boy was he. একটি ছিল দুষ্টু ছেলে, সেই দুষ্টু ছেলে. He ran away to Scotland, the people forced to see. There he found. সে ছুটে গেছিল স্কটল্যান্ডের দিকে, ওখানকার মানুষজন কেমন দেখতে এবং জানতে. There he found, সেখানে খুঁজে পেল বা দেখতে পেল, that the ground was as hard as a earth, was as long, that is wrong. ওখানকার মাটিটা ছিল তেমন শক্ত যেমন ছিল ইংল্যান্ডে. That a earth was as long, একটা উঠোন বারান্দা যেরকম থাকে, দীর্ঘ লম্বা বারান্দা একই রকম. That a song was as merry, that a cherry was as red. That a song was as long as song, অর্থাৎ যেমন গান দীর্ঘ থেকে লম্বা থেকে, এরকম লম্বা গানের মতোই যেন বারান্দার বা উঠোনগুলো. As a merry, that a cherry, এখানে সবকিছু ভালো তো চেরি ফলের মতো, as red, লাল চেরি ফলের মতো. That late এবং was as waiting, that fourscore was 80. যেমন শীষে ভারী লাগে, শীষে একটা ধাতু যেটা ভারী লাগে, তার মধ্যে তোমরা বলা হচ্ছে that fourscore was as 80. Fourscore means 4 into 20 is equal to 80. যেন কোথায় 80 গুণ ভাই. That a door was as wooden as in England, so he stood his shoes. একটা দরজা দেখতে ছিল কাঠের তৈরি, ঠিক যেমন ভাবে ইংল্যান্ডে ছিল. So he stood his shoes, তাই সে জুতো পরে দাঁড়িয়ে থাকতো. And he wondered, stood his shoes and he wondered. সে জুতোর উপর দাঁড়িয়ে ভাবতে লাগলো যে আমি তো ইংল্যান্ডের মধ্যে সঙ্গে দেখতে পাচ্ছি. This is the discovery and a adventurous journey of a boy, a naughty boy. He wished to make an adventure as a boy to visit Scotland, and at last he found that Scotland was not different than England. This is the substance and Bengali meaning of the poem I have discussed you. Now follow up me the questions and answers. Dear boys and girls, now I am going to discuss you the word meanings. Not is an adjective form. It means wicked. Quiet. It is an adjective form. It means calm and cool. Ditto. It is an adjective form. Looking same, like a duplicate thing. Stockings. It is a noun form. It means socks. Bangla bole mocha. Debited. It is a verb to form, past form. It means tightened. Koshe bedhe. Followed. It is a verb to second form, past indicative tense. Pursued. Onshon kara. Wondered. It is a B2 second form. It means astonished. Ashchorjo hoto. Found. Verb to form. Saw or got. देखते पे तो खुजे पे तो ground it is a noun form. It means soil, माटी or भूमि. Merry noun it means joy, आनंद. Score it is a noun form. It means 20. 20 means score means 20. It may be year, it may be minute, it may be so. Cherry it is noun form. A red fruit, very small fruit, very tasty fruit. Now I have to express before you the questions and answers. Writing part. All these questions are of 1 mark, should be written in one in a sentence or two. Question number 1. Why did the boy carry new stockings as well? কেন ছেলেটি নতুন মোজা নিত সঙ্গে? His old stockings were torn, so he carried new stockings also. তার পুরনো মোজাগুলো ছিঁড়ে গেছিল, তাই সে সঙ্গে নিয়েছিল নতুন মোজাগুলো। Number 2. Do you think Scotland was as same as England or different? তোমরা কি মনে করো স্কটল্যান্ড ইংল্যান্ডের মতো দেখতে একই রকম ছিল না ভিন্ন রকম ছিল? Scotland was same as England. It is the answer. Number 3. Which place would you like to see? তোমরা কোন জায়গা দেখতে পছন্দ করো? I would like to see a new place, like the poet. আমি পছন্দ করি একটা নতুন জায়গা দেখতে বা ভিজিট করতে, যেমন জন কিটস করেছিলেন। Forgive the naughty boy take in his knapsack. দুষ্টু ছেলেটি তার ব্যাগের মধ্যে কি নিয়েছিল? The boy took so many things in his knapsack as a book of howls, a shirt, towels, sprite cat, hairbrush, like comb, new stockings, etc. ছেলেটি তার ব্যাগের মধ্যে থলের মধ্যে অনেকগুলো জিনিস সঙ্গে নিয়েছিল। সেটা হচ্ছে কি, একটা ভাওয়েলের বই, স্বরবর্ণের বই, একটা শার্ট, জামা, তোয়ালে, হালকা টুপি, চিরমতি ব্রাশ আর নতুন মোজা। Now there are some multiple choice questions for you. He ran away to dance in the Scotland. Number 2, that a door was as and the answer will be wooden. দরজাটা হতো কাঠের মতো। That first score was as 80. চারকুড়িকে বলা হতো, যাকে মনে হয় চারকুড়ি মানে হয় 80. Here MCQs. I've discussed everything before you about the poem. Now your duty is to read the poem further again and again to enjoy it. I suggest you to memorize the poem, because poem is a matter of memorizing and reciting. Anybody who reads may find reading poems or reciting. Poems are nothing but like songs. Poems are nothing but like songs. We find musical tone in songs, but in poem we find no music. We can give our vocal tune as suitable. So you may recite it very clearly. You should poem. You should read the poem. At first, change the book and try to recite and memorize yourself. Then I give you the homeworks of the entire poem, reading and writing the answers and memorizing. I think it will be not a problem to you to grasp answers and memorize. At last, I like to give suggestions that is very important for the present time in the age of coronavirus or COVID-19. I suggest you not to go out of the home. The government is declared for lockdown. You should maintain it. Don't go out. If you go out with your parents. Use masks. Returning home, you should wash your hands with hand sanitizer or soap or hand wash. Before eating, you must wash your hands and play with your brother or sister at home, with the kids at home. Okay, maintain good health as well as you study. You should play also and enjoy yourself. I hope you must maintain all these and study properly to get successful in the examination. Bye now today. Good morning.